Hi everyone, for my AIPI 561 project, I'm going to be focusing on the JDoc Free Health Clinic Center. So as a background, the JDoc Free Health Clinic Center is an organization located in Kansas City, Kansas, and their focus on the underrepresented population within the area, as well as providing medical services for them, anything from PCP visits all the way to basic surgeries. It's actually an organization that I volunteered at pretty extensively in the past, so it means a lot. The purpose is to create an application that uses the Llama 2 7B chat model as a LLM backbone in order to provide a way for people to ask questions regarding the organization, its history, as well as potentially what are the different specialty nights and what they can expect at those different nights. So here's a week by week summary as to what I'm going to be accomplishing. In week one, I primarily thought of my idea as well as which routes I wanted to go for my project. In week two, I'm going to be curating a Pinecone database that contains all relevant information from the JDoc Free Health Clinic website, as well as other additional resources. I'm setting up that Pinecone database includes chunking up all the information and making sure that it's properly set up within the database. In week three, I'm going to convert the Llama 2 7B chat Hugging Face model into a Llama file. It's located on Hugging Face and it's pretty easily accessible. So that's primarily what I'm going to be working on there. In week four, I'm going to be developing tests for the Llama file to make sure that it's performing at an optimal performance. In week five, I'm going to be doing the backend development with the model itself and then the Pinecone database, making sure that those two integrate very well and are seamlessly in transition between one another, making sure that the relevant chunks are actually being pulled for the query. In weeks 6 and 7, I'll be developing the user interface, which is a Next.js with a Flask backend. In week 8, it's all about Dockerizing using Docker, both the front end and the back end. In week 9, I'm going to set up and finalize the CI/CD pipeline, make sure everything runs smoothly from point A all the way to the end. In week 10, I'm going to be focusing on the final documentation as well as the repo cleanup. Here's a Gantt chart that goes over exactly what I'm talking about, everything from the objectives from week 1 to week 10 and what I want to accomplish. That's an overall breakdown. Thank you.